Hey everyone, my name is Kuntal and today I am doing a bit something different. I have been diving deep into data science and AI lately. A lot of questions are asked about scalar data science machine learning program. Is it worth the time? Is the curriculum actually industry relevant? Or is it just another boot camp? Today I am going to share my honest experience, the challenges, the wins, and a look inside the platform. If you are looking to upskill in 2026, stick around. So let's talk about the core experience. The first thing that hit me was the curriculum. It's not just a collection of videos, it's a structured roadmap. We started with the fundamentals of Python and SQL and quickly moved into advanced concepts like unsupervised learning. The instructors are actually from the industry, people who have built systems at companies like Google and or Amazon. The live classes are interactive. You aren't just a spectator, you are solving problems in real time. What I loved about the Scalar platform is the streak system and the PSP, problem solving percentage. It gamifies your learning. On days when I felt lazy, seeing my streak helped me push through. Plus, the assignments are tough. They aren't copy paste code, they force you to think like a data scientist. What are my favorite features or projects? If you ask me what feature I like the most, it's definitely the one-on-one mentorship and the projects provided by Scalar. Now let's talk about the heart of the program, the projects. This isn't just a theory. You are working on real business problem. I worked on project called learner profiling and segmentation. I had to use k-means clustering and PCA to segment users. This wasn't a toy data set. It was messy real world data. My mentor helped me understand how to use elbow method and seal out scores to justify my business decision. That one on one time with a mentor who actually works in the field is invaluable. They don't just fix your code, they fix your thinking. Next comes the Ola driver churn project. One of the most intense project was predicting a driver attrition for Ola. I used ensemble learning techniques like bagging and boosting to help which drivers are likely to leave the platform. I focused heavily on the precision recall curve and achieved an AOC ROC score of 0.85. In real world business, that kind of predictive power saves millions in recruitment cost. Next comes the project like Netflix content strategy. So this was a deep dive into EDA. I analyzed how their content strategies shifted from movies to TV show over the last decade. Using univariate and bivariate analysis, I was able to visualize exactly how Netflix adapted the streamlined wars. Next comes the project applying statistic with Walmart. So Walmart, I applied the central limit theorem and confidence intervals to analyze customer spending behavior during Black Friday. It's one thing to read about statistic in a book, but calculating spending intervals for a retail giant like Walmart makes the math finally click. Other industry standard project from predicting loan defaults for loan tap using logistic regression to estimating delivery times for company like delivery through advanced feature engineering. The sheer variety of industries covered is incredible. Whether it's hypothesis testing with Yulu or linear regression with Jamboree, you can come out of this program with a portfolio that speaks. Challenges and growth. Was it easy? No. The biggest challenge I faced was balancing the intensity of the courses with my other goals. There were weeks when the concepts of deep learning felt overwhelming. I actually had to use the pause feature which Scalar provided once when I needed to catch my breath, which is a lifesaver, which can be a lifesaver for a working professional. I overcome the technical hurdles by leaning on the Scalar community. The Discord and peer support groups are incredibly active. If you are stuck at 2 a.m., there's usually someone else also debugging a model who can help you out. This community feeling makes a massive difference. So, any advice for those of DSML aspirant? For those of you who are looking to upskill in data science machine learning, here is my advice. Focus on the why. Don't just learn the libraries. Learn why the algorithm works. Consistency over intensity. Don't try to finish a module in one day. Use the Scalar dashboard to track your daily progress. Build a portfolio. Use the Scalar projects like Ola or Netflix ones to build a LinkedIn presence. And regarding mock interviews, take them seriously. Scalar's AI powered mock interviews gave me the confidence to talk about my projects without stuttering when a real recruiter called. Final recommendation. So, do I recommend Scalar? Yes, absolutely. Especially if you are looking for an outcome focused program rather than just a certificate. It's a grind, but the return on investment in terms of skills and industry network is massive. If you have any specific question about my journey or the modules, drop a comment below. I will try to answer as many as I can. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for updates on a journey. Happy learning. I will see you in the next one.